All right, in this problem we have a two-step equation. Negative 7 times y plus 2 equals negative 775. It's a two-step equation because it involves two operations, multiplication here and addition. First step, draw a line down your equal sign so you can see the side with the variable and then the other side of negative 75 clearly. And then identify the term that has the variable in it, which is negative 7y, and highlight it. We want to isolate y, get it by itself. So we're going to start by getting this term by itself that has the y in it. And that means we've got to get rid of the plus 2. The opposite of adding 2 is subtracting 2. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. I'm going to do the math, and I'm going to separate my work that I decided to do to isolate from my results. I put that line in. And then over here, the plus 2 minus 2, or positive 2, negative 2, they're opposites, so they're going to cancel each other out, and the only thing you're going to have left is negative 7y on the left side. So we're one step closer to getting y by itself. On this side, I'm going to write it horizontally off to the side so I can see what I'm dealing with. I have a negative 75 minus 2. I'm going to KAO, negative 75, keep, add, and then take the opposite of 2, which is negative 2. So subtracting 2 is the same as adding negative 2. Now I'm going to sing the song. Same signs, add the 2. They're the same. They're both negative. So I'm going to add them and I get 77. Different signs, subtract. Keep the sign of the higher number. Then you'll be exact. Since they're the same, I keep the negative. And I get negative 77 over here. Now I'm going to highlight my variable by itself, and I'm going to get rid of that negative 7. It's being multiplied to my variable, negative 7 times y. The opposite of multiplying by negative 7 is dividing. So I'm going to divide, and I'm going to divide on this side as well. So negative 7 divided by negative 7 is 1. So these cancel, and you get 1. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. So positive 1, and y is by itself. 1y is y. Negative 77 divided by negative 7 is positive 11. Again, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 77 divided by 7 is 11. So you can check to make sure you got it correct by substituting it back into the original equation. Negative 7, I'm going to take y out and put in positive 11 plus 2. Will that give me the other side, which is negative 75? You do the math and you get negative 7 times 11 is negative 77. They're opposite signs and I'm multiplying. And then plus 2, does that give me negative 75? Well, I have a negative and a positive, and I'm putting them together, so I have to sing. Same signs, add the 2, different signs, subtract. They're different. So I'm going to take 77 minus 2, which is 75. Keep the sign of the higher number. It's negative. Then you'll be exact, and they are the same. So your check for positive 11 worked. 11 is the solution to this equation.